Friends, welcome to our channel TechFlow Software Solutions. Today our topic is what are the status codes available in the API and how we will confirm. What is the abbreviation of that status code? So I will explain the status code details. Okay. So see, when we are getting the 200 status code, at the time what we call successfully create data. Successfully create data. So in case if we are adding anything, for example, we have the OLX one, right? In the OLX we are adding one item. Item name is one mobile. Mobile name is Oppo Reno 6 Oppo. Okay, we want to like I want to update a file in the Oppo mobile. I want to add a file in the OLX app. See, so what exactly happening? I mentioned the Oppo name and price and all these things. For example, I am putting it 20,000 rupees. Okay, so 20,000 rupees. At the time, what exactly happening? I am filling all the details A, B, C, something. After filling all the details, I am clicking on submit button. Okay, at the time successfully the product will be added in the API, right? At the time we are getting 200 status code successful when we are creating the data in the other server. At the time we are getting the 200. So for example, unfortunately I am putting the 2 lakhs rupees. Okay, I want to sell in the 20,000 rupees, but unfortunately I am putting the 2 lakhs. I didn't get calls from the OLX. Why? Because I mentioned the wrong values, right? So at the time I want to update the file. So at the time I am getting when we are updating the 2 lakhs to 20,000, at the time we are getting the 201. 201 is successfully new data is created. Successfully new data was created on the server. At the time 201 we are getting. Coming to the 400, so 400 is the bad request. 400 is the bad request. See, so what exactly when we are getting the 400? See, so we have name field, we have name and price, location. Okay, for example, name field should allow only characters, right? Name field should allow only characters. But what I am entering here, I am entering the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am entering the correct price and I am entering the correct location. When we click on the submit button, at that time we are getting the 400. Why? Because we are giving the invalid credentials. We are getting the invalid data. At the time only we are getting the 400 status codes. Okay. So in the next class I will explain remaining status codes. Yeah. Thank you so much.